So on my ram, this handle is kind of janky and broken, and also it doesn't have a lock on it. So I went ahead and ordered one off eBay. I already have it open here. It's a Bully Tailgate lock, and that fits Dodge Ram 2500 03 to 09. So I'm going to install it. So I have most of the bolts removed from here, and I also took out that plate goes underneath this, which you'll see when I reinstall. But the tools you're gonna need a T30, and you're gonna need a 8mm socket. T30 is to get these screws off, get this cover off if you have it. If not, you'll have a plate like that. So let's do that. So now you have the lock. You have these two rods that you have to pull up this plastic clip here. See, this pops up, and that pops up, and you can free it of the rods. And now you have these two 8s here that have to be removed. This whole piece comes out, so we're going to replace it. This piece, they look similar. This one just has a lock on it. This one doesn't. So this is how I put it in. These are the two 8s. I'm gonna tighten them up and then connect the rods and see if it works. So these just snap back down. I tighten this up. So I'm just gonna see if the handle actually works. So it works. So this is me grabbing the handle. It just pushes down on that lever and it opens, just engages the little latches on each side of the tailgate. Nope. It close. Okay. So now I'm just gonna reassemble. Bolts go in this if you have the cover, and then the rest of the bolts are going to go on top of that plastic. So this is the finished product. Looks like an OEM fit. Pretty good. Feels pretty sturdy. Just pull on it. Closes nice and secure. This is how you lock it. That's not budging. Unlock. Pops out good. There you go. Looks like it works great. I recommend it. Add a little security, especially if you have a broken handle. Might as well upgrade it. All right, thanks for watching. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe to the channel, and share. Hit that notification bell, because it doesn't count if you don't hit the notification bell. You won't get notified of my new videos, and it's basically like you're not subscribed. Okay, thank you.